am going to pull an all-nighter today. Hey, so it's 9 right now and today I'm going to pull an all-nighter, and basically I do that every month to chill and relax, and this time I'm shooting it and I've already bought some biscuits and eatables to spend my night time, which I'll try to do so and which I'll try to finish off. And I thought why not do that from 9 only, but my mom will screw me up if she'll get to know that I'm trying to pull an all-nighter, so we'll start it at 11 only. Till then, bye bye. Sounding like an ASMR expert. Why? It's 11 already and I think we should begin our all-nighter, and I feel it cannot be any better than having chill Oreo shake. What's it? Let's go. Plan changed. I didn't make Oreo shake because I'm not that active to make it, and I'm feeling too lazy because I'm decked up in this cozy attire. Okay, stop this blame game, Alisha. So I'm having Oreo shake in ingredients individually: milk and biscuit. Okay, let's eat it. What was the tagline? That Oreo tagline? Lick, dunk. What was the third word? Leave it, Alisha. Not your thing. Just have it. So it's 12 already and I have to shoot a random reel video for my IG reel account, and it's a kind of photography hack sort of something which I haven't planned even, and also I have to do basic makeup, a quick basic sort of makeup just to look normal. So let's go. Just this much makeup, and I don't know how many takes I'm going to take to shoot a reel video because I'm not that pro, and my reel account is enough to prove that. So finally I figured out what I have to make for my reels, and my reel gifted me this some months back. It's a amazing light, and also I purchased this colorful cellophane sheet I think yesterday, and I'm going to give a quick vibey photo shoot idea sort of something. Let's do this. What sort of a mess I've created. Oh god, I'm not sure whether I'm going to upload this reels or not. And also it's, I think it's 12:30 straight. No, it's 12:26, about to 12:30, and I need to remove the basic makeup that I did. See you after that. So I've removed my makeup and I'm feeling so good, and now I'm going to wash my face, and the face wash that I'm going to use today is this vitamin C gentle foaming face wash from St.Botanica. And before actually letting you know an amazing fact about the packaging, let me tell you that the products are cruelty free and free from sulfates, and they are made up of bioactive and pure oils, and also they are free from parabens and mineral oil. And one thing that I really love about the packaging is this built-in brush sort of something, and it feels so good. Let me show you. And as you can see, this instantly brightens up my face and I am feeling so good, so relaxed. And I've been using it from around 6-7 days, and St.Botanica face wash is just amazing. And I am feeling bored and I'm roaming around with my room here and there. I think I should finish off a movie which I left in between a month back, but before that I think I should finish off my nighttime skincare regime. And the last step is face serum, and the face serum that I'm going to use here is from St.Botanica. I'm going to pack my face with this serum. The serum has vitamin C, E and hyaluronic acids and are cruelty free and environmental friendly. Most importantly, you have to take a drop of it on your fingertips and you have to massage it gently. And I'm using it from around 6-7 days, a week or so, something around that only, and it has given amazing results. And here we are done, and I use vitamin C serums at night, and I feel vitamin C serum work the best at night to repair the skin damage and also to provide those key nutrients. And I'll provide a link in the description box from where you can shop these products. Also, you can use my coupon code STYT15 to get a 15% off in every purchase. And remember, these products are also available on Amazon.in. And it's almost 2 and it's movie time. Now to create that theatre feel, I'm going to make dalgona coffee and some popcorns. Let's go. This dalgona coffee is a true mess, but it tastes amazing. I feel my skin is doing good. Is it because of the serum or because of the light? I think it is because of that. But it is because of that as well. I think this all-nighter is making me high. Anyways, let's focus on the job. Just look at that. And we are done with the dalgona coffee, and I'll keep it in the fridge for a while. Until then, we'll make add 2 popcorns. I don't know why they are barking so much. I'm adding a big spoon of butter as I'm making buttery popcorn. And also, I'm going to watch The Silence of the Lambs. It's an American psychological thriller, and it's a horror sort of a movie, so I'm super excited to watch it. And we are done. Yay! Our movie snack is ready and I'm super excited. Let's dive onto the laptop screen. So it's 2:35 right now. We are all set. The mood is all set. I have turned off the room lights and I've created this cute sort of an aesthetic. What a movie, man. It was amazing and super thriller, but I'm feeling sleepy right now and I feel like I'll sleep before sunrise. And you know what, I finished off all those munchies in between the movie and I'm this lazy that I didn't made it again. And what's the time? It's 4:28 right now, 4:28 a.m. And what is the sunrise time? Let's ask. See. Siri, when will I get to see the morning sun? If I would have been Siri, I would have replied, FO Alisha Singh, I didn't turn on the mobile data. Siri, what is the sunrise time?
Sunrise will be at 5:51 a.m. today.
5:51 a.m. That means 1.5 hours more. Okay. It's 1.5 hours left. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Should I do some journaling or prepping for my practical exams, or I should watch some IG reels, or should I post a IG poll? No, if I would do so, then I'm going to do the third on the list, that is watching IG reels. I think I have to do all the three. Let's go. And what's the time? It's 5:46, near to 5:50, and your girl finally made it. We successfully pulled an all-nighter, but your girl turned red-eyed. And now I'm going to sleep for 2-3 hours because I have my college tomorrow at 10. Yeah, at 10. And before signing off, huge thanks to St.Botanica for being our partner for this video. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down, and please subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and all those kind and generous stuffs. I Pyaar you guys. Bye bye.